Hello world, it's Emmy, and today we are going to unbox Meijer 2020 Beauty Sample Box. It says some text right here. It says, "Welcome to Meijer's Beauty Box. Inside you'll find some of the best beauty brands that Meijer has to offer. This season's collection of samples and hand-picked surprises will inspire your beauty routine. Save on what you need to look good and discover something new to love." So I'm pretending I'm like a serious YouTuber right now because I'm doing an unboxing video. So first up, I'm going to remove the outer film. So let's get started. Well, probably not a great idea to do that whole motion with your knife, but whatever, let's continue. Okay, so slide that in there like that. Sharky, if you'd like to watch too. There you go, hold that for me. Just 1 moment. Right, now that box, which, okay, it opens this way. So I'll let you see it first. Oh, it's a list of stuff. So that was super great. Ooh, $1 off coupon. This is more coupons. I'm assuming this is the stuff in the box. I probably shouldn't be showing this off. Ugh, tired. But here we go. I'm gonna put this away real quick. Right. So first up we have the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. So I would use this on dry shampoo. I would use it on my hair. Okay, that's cool. And up next, CeraVe Lotion. I was really expecting everything in this box to be Meijer brand, but I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm very glad I bought this. So this is an ultra-light moisturizing lotion. Like a serious beauty tuber. Okay, so this has some serious facts. It's got an eye on it. Redness reliever eye drops. Okay. Never tried one of these before. I'll have to look up like how to do it. So that's what that is. Ooh, is this another dry shampoo? It is. So I got 2 of these. 2 of these. Do It All SGX NYC Dry Texture Sprays. So that's cool. I wonder if all these boxes had the same stuff in them. Well, I'll look it up after. Okay, so we have a sample of micellar cleansing water. It says it removes makeup. I could try this out sometime soon. And I don't know what this is either. It says unflavored, so I think you drink this. Let's see. For adults, mix 1 packet 1 to 2 times daily of collagen powder into 6 to 8 ounces of cold or hot liquid, including juice, tea, coffee, or water for smoothies. Stir vigorously or use blender for best results. Okay. I don't know what that does, but it's a beverage. It's supposed to make you do beauty things. So what else do we have here? Ooh, now this I'm looking forward to. Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in Very Black. Do they even make less black eyelash? liner and eye mascara anymore? I feel like they don't. Remember when I first started wearing mascara, I had to wear brown because they sold brown, but now I don't see brown anymore. So I don't know what happened to it, but Flash Sensational in Very Black. Ooh, this is something else. This is a L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair, Protein Charge, and Heat Protection. Oh, this is a conditioner. Conditioner. Okay, so now we know what that is. And we're on to our last one already. And it's another CeraVe moisturizer. So I've got 2 of these, and 2 of these, and one of whatever this is, one of these, one of these, one little mascara, and one makeup remover. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my video. Certainly glad I unboxed this. So this was like cost me $5. Yeah, this was fun. Thanks for watching. Bye!